All right, Raphael Bernal. Oh, Mr. Bernal.
Yeah.
Hi. So you want a jury trial, is that correct?
Yeah, I was out for 8 months.
No. Here's my question.
Hold up, did you catch that? The judge just made a critical legal distinction. Plea negotiations must stay confidential. That means even he can't consider what was just said. Why do you think that is? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Legally, I'm not supposed to hear what plea negotiations y'all have made because legally those are supposed to be confidential.
Right.
So I'm going to wash my brain of what you just said. So my only question for you is, are you reaching an agreement with the state or do you want a jury trial? That's either yes, I want a jury trial, or no, I don't want a jury trial. All right, so here's the thing. We've been here on this train before. So the train stops here. Do you want to, if you want a jury trial, I will give you a jury trial. So do you want
I'm a lawyer.
Well, do you have money for an attorney?
No.
All right, then that's where we are. This is your attorney.
No.
All right, so you're going to represent yourself?
No, you can hire me another attorney.
No.
Judge, respectfully, I'm sorry. Can I speak to my client for a second?
Yes.
Mr. Now, can you step away, please? Step away from me.
Working here. No. She just said, they don't send you to prison just because you don't have money.
Here's the deal. When you can't afford a lawyer, the court appoints one paid by the taxpayers. But if you want a different lawyer, guess what? You've got to pay out of pocket. No cash, no choice. That's the legal system's hard reality.
I don't have money. I need another attorney.
All right, let me
Hire me
stop.
another attorney.
Oh, no. Just 1 second. Let me ask you this.
Yes, Judge.
Are you appointed or retained?
Appointed.
All right, you're appointed. So what that means is that the government, the state of Texas, the taxpayers, because you can't afford an attorney, had this attorney appointed to represent you.
Right.
So this is your attorney. If you want another,
Mr.
if
Brown.
you want another attorney,
Yes.
then you need to hire one.
How?
I have no idea. All right.
You don't have no idea.
Judge, may I present the case?
Attorney's trying hard to keep the case on track, but Bernal clearly doesn't. Trust her. Notice how he interrupts constantly. There's deep distrust here and maybe something more beneath the surface. Do you think he's sabotaging his own case?
I'm telling you
May I go
now.
forward and try to represent him? He has.
No. You
I think he's
appoint me
upset.
another lawyer.
I think he's upset, and it's possible that I mentioned before, he's very knowledgeable. He knows a lot of the law. It's old law. I've tried to update him on some of the laws, on some of the charges that he has had in the past, and the charge we're talking about today, which is burglary of the building. I
It's a
explained the
repeater.
different. I explained the
That
difference.
time I was here before.
Mr. Bernal, can you-
No. I need to explain.
So what I
It
would
was
like
the
to do right
same
now, Judge.
thing, burglary of a building, and it was dismissed. And
Yes.
now it's a repeater.
Let me ask you something.
The judge just compared Bernal's outburst to a child's tantrum right in court. He may be 64, but age doesn't always equal composure when stakes are high. Anyone else feel that tension spike?
Mr. Bernal,
Yes.
you're Raphael Bernal.
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I just said it.
No, what do you want to say? We're here to listen because you keep interrupting your counsel. So nobody's going to say anything. I'm going to let you speak. What is it that you want me to know?
What did you not hear?
I didn't hear any of it.
Why not? Everybody heard.
No, they did not.
You didn't hear it.
No, they said they did not. So what is it you want to hear?
Mr. Bernal. Judge, can we get a second, please? I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Sometimes, counsel, I understand where you are, but sometimes when people don't get their way, they behave childlike, which is fine.
I'm
So
not
this is what's going
I'm
to
64 years
Counsel-
old. I'm older than you.
counsel. You assume that. Counsel,
Where
this
did I assume that?
counsel,
Sorry.
this is what's going to end up happening. You're going to go to jury trial. You will be his attorney. If he doesn't want to take your advice or listen to you, then he doesn't take your advice or listen to you. But people need to realize that when you're
Conspiring
appointed,
against me.
people need to realize that when you're
That's bullshit.
appointed an
She's
attorney,
working against me. You're working against me. The district attorney is working against me. And you're not listening to me.
Yeah.
And everybody hears me. Hey, look, now they're gonna call me.
We're not assaulting you, we're just
Yeah, you don't need to do that.
is calling 2023 CR 11027A.
Escobar missed a required meeting with his probation officer. That's a direct violation of his probation terms. And one slip-up like that, it can land you back behind bars fast.
State versus Victor Javier Escobar. Can I have parties announce?
Good luck for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Teresa Max Vasquez for the defense.
And are you Victor Javier Escobar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Victor Javier Escobar who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 11027A for the offense of burglary of a building on January 3rd, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Victor Javier Escobar, Defendant failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of March 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead, true or not true?
True.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True.
Yes.
No. Do you still wish to proceed
Oh, yes.
with your plea of truth?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. You may have an agreement with the state and the defense, but the court doesn't have to follow whatever agreement that you've reached. Do you understand? Because probation is a contract with the court. It's not a contract with your attorney or the contract with the state. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The agreement does not go in line with probation's recommendation, but we are recommending you grant the state's motion, adjudicate defendant. We're asking for a sentence under 1244A, 180 days, Bexar County Jail.
All right.
That is correct, Judge.
Are you asking me to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
A plea deal might be the easy way out, but that felony conviction, it'll haunt your record for life. One misstep later, and this could be used to enhance a future sentence. The system doesn't forget.
Probation, was there any restitution owed to the complainant, Andrew Fraught?
Judge, I don't think that.
All right. The court will follow your agreement, find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244.